The twin NXL Double Head Notcher is one of our most popular models, bridging the gap between entry-level single head notchers and high-end auto-feed double head notchers. Its versatility lets you notch various materials including new stringers, full cants, and even old nail-embedded stringers. Standard features include two 20-horsepower electric cutter head motors and the ability to notch material up to 6 inches wide, resulting in an output of 1,750 stringers per hour. That's more than double what most single head notchers can achieve. Not only that, but the notches maintain excellent quality thanks to the UHMW throat plates, which minimize tear out. The twin NXL comes with a wide range of capabilities right out of the box. You can notch materials up to 102 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 4 inches tall, with a notch width of 9 inches. If needed, we can accommodate notches anywhere between half an inch to 12 inches, and you can easily adjust the distance between notches with a simple crank handle. The notch height is also adjustable, going up to 2.5 inches tall. Plus, you have the option to run one head at a time, allowing you to notch down to a 12-inch stringer. For your convenience, the machine is equipped with dual 8-inch dust collection ports and boasts a heavy-duty construction, featuring a tabletop and frame made out of 3/8-inch steel. The twin NXL offers a variety of options to suit your needs. You can opt for cutter teeth designed for recycled materials, waste conveyors, dust collection units, different notch widths, caster feet, a stringer stacking rack, and increased material capacities in terms of length and height. As with all of our machines, safety and maintenance are top priorities. The twin NXL ensures operator safety with its safety dual push buttons and pop-up safety gates that never expose the cutters. And maintenance is a breeze, with quick access for changing teeth and all 12 grease points easily reachable from the top of the machine.